Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, bed utility package, and tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, we do get a nice Pro-access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed with a nice bed liner. You got outlets, got lights for your bed, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, measurements, which is all pretty nice, and it is powered, that will go down automatically. And let's just say you're holding stuff in your hands and you want to lift up your gate, all you have to do is knee it up and it will go up automatically. We have mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot detection, lights on your mirror, and moving to the front here, we do get a nice black hood deflector, front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, flat fold storage system with floor mats, carpet interior. We got some cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a fully powered driver's seat as well as a passenger seat with the same leather interior. We saw in the back there plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop assert, spotlights, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 197 kilometers. We do get this nice leather wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have my view, trip and feel, your heads up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicle ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. Gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with your speeds. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, more storage here with a wireless charging pad and outlets. It does close. Leather wrap center console, that does turn into an interior work surface. You can put your meal there, laptop, totally up to you. And you do get your normal center console storage. Drive modes with rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. And we got a nice powered rear window opener, and well, our nice twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. Here we do get a 360 view of our vehicle, and we do get BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. You can change different camera angles as well, hazards and traction, park assist, and looking here we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz, and any apps you may have downloaded will show right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA67086, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.